Okay, so the part itself here is not too hard, but it does have to be played pretty fast, so you're going to need a little bit of practice. Let's start with the right hand. We're basically going to be playing a lot of A minor chords, and we're going to arpeggiate them. So just to see what that looks like, we're going to be playing A, C, E with the right hand on fingers 1, 3, and 5. Okay, so 1, 3, 5. And we're going to be doing this all the way up the keyboard. So you might want to practice doing it here, A, C, E, and then here, A, C, E, here. Fingers 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now, we're going to be adding one thing every other time we do this. And that's A, C, E, and then we're going to come down D, C, B with fingers 4, 3, and then 2. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then repeat starting from here. So it does the exact same thing each time. Now the left hand is mostly going to be just playing an A minor chord, kind of exactly the same, except it won't be arpeggiated. It's going to use fingers 5, 3, and 1. A, C, E. But it's just going to be bouncing on that A minor chord. For the most part, the hand is going to stay right here. Except you have to hit that first low A. So the very first time you start playing this, the pinky of the left hand hits a low A. So, okay, again. But right after you hit this low A with your pinky, you could bring the left hand up to here ready to be in the position it's going to stay in for the rest of this run. So it's... And then when you hit the D, you're going to hit that A minor chord. So from this point on, the left hand is going to play that A minor every time you start this run, and every time you go to the D coming down. Okay, so it's... Okay, so again, just to point this out, the left hand is going to hit that low A, and then it's going to stay in this position, hitting this A minor every time you start the run on that A minor with the right, and then every time you hit the D on the way down. Okay, so let's play that part. Then finally, the right hand ends on this B, coming down from here. And then we're just going to play a chromatic scale coming downward, starting at the B flat. Now, chromatic scales are usually always played with the same fingering. So if you already have practiced doing a chromatic scale, this is actually very easy. But I'll assume that you don't. So here's how you play a chromatic scale. You're only going to be using fingers 1, 2, and 3. And on the black notes, you're always going to stay on finger 3. The white notes that are between two black notes, you will always use finger 1. And the only time you'll use finger 2 is when there are two white notes in a row, like here. So starting from the top of the run, we have the third finger, then finger 1, 3, 1, 3. Now we come to a situation where there are two white notes in a row, so we use finger 2, then 1. Then again, it's 3, 1, 3. And now there are two white notes, so it's 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's do this very slowly from the top, and I'll say the finger numbers. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is something you'll have to practice a little bit to build up speed. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then the actual speed is going to be something like this. And what's nice is right after this, when you get to this E, it goes right into the main part of your Elise with the correct fingering and everything. So it's 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 1, just like you learned at the very beginning of the first lesson. All right, so let me do this whole part nice and slow for you. And right there, it goes back into the first movement.